Milwaukee Pipeline Locator. Sewer maintenance is a job for masters, not for the Mario Brothers who live in a fantasy world. They use a system that makes it easy and fun. They slide a cable with a probe, which they can see on the locator, into the pipe. Then they play a game of following the arrows on the screen. But this is not just for entertainment. This helps the foreman to map out the pipe network and plan the work efficiently. The system has 2 antennas for better accuracy and a calibration test for problem solving. The only catch is the cost, which might make you frown at $2,500. Milwaukee Digital Measuring Wheel. Numerobus, the architect of Cleopatra, walks around the site for her future palace and forgets how many steps he took. That sounds like a funny story, but it's not so far from reality. Nowadays, people sometimes measure distances like this too, but they use this handy device. It fits in one hand, has a bright screen, and can change from feet to meters. It's only 1.4 kilograms and runs on 2 AAA batteries. You can get it for $100. Milwaukee Mounting Fan. This fan is a blessing when you're working in the heat. It blows air up to 22.5 kilometers per hour and 11 cubic meters per minute. You can easily attach it to beams with its 360-degree rotating clamp that's 5 centimeters wide and spring-loaded. It has 3 speeds, magnets inside, and runs on M12 batteries that last for 15 to 16 hours. This cool device costs $105. Milwaukee Stick Transfer Pump. Milwaukee cares about their customers and what they need. That's why they make not only specialized tools for construction, but also this pump, which is useful for both ordinary people and emergency workers. The pump can deal with even dirty water from storms and ditches, thanks to its filter system. It only needs 1 M12 battery to pump about 1,050 liters of water, as fast as 34 liters per minute and as high as 4.5 meters. Plus, you can easily hook it up to a garden hose when you need to pump water quickly. This handy pump costs $254. Milwaukee Expansion Tool. Milwaukee knows what builders want and need. That's why they created the world's first cordless hydraulic pipe expansion tool. The experts in the video admire its smart design, which makes your work easier and faster without hurting your joints. The tool can handle even DN75 pipes because it has many expansion heads to choose from. The one-key system not only tells you when it's time for service, but also stores tool usage data in the cloud. With a 76mm stroke amplitude for quick and even expansion, it's worth every penny of $3,700. Milwaukee Concrete Vibrator. If you're building a home in the US this year, you'll need some concrete tools. Milwaukee has what you need: a concrete vibrator. It's so powerful that it can push 63.5 milliliter heads and shake 11,000 times per minute. It makes your concrete smooth and strong, no matter how big your project is. The wireless remote control lets you work from 9 meters away, which is great for long shafts. This amazing tool costs $2,200. Milwaukee Vibratory Screed. If you want to make your concrete surface smooth and level, you need the Vibratory Screed from Milwaukee. It has a wide screed that can go up to 4.9 meters and shake up to 9,000 times per minute. It works for 2 hours on a single battery charge. And you don't have to worry about losing or stealing it because it has tracking and locking features that you can control remotely. This awesome tool is yours for $2,200. Milwaukee Bluetooth Tracking Tag. Do you have a lot of cool tools that you can't keep track of? Don't worry, Milwaukee has a solution for you. Bluetooth tags. These smart tags let you find your tool with your smartphone. Just tap the app and the tag will make a sound. The tags can go as far as 90 meters, are waterproof, and can handle hot and cold weather. They also work with the one-key system, which helps you manage your inventory and reports. The tags last for 3 years and are only $70 each.